Hi, so here we are looking at a PDF form, and as we can see, it's got labels and fields and a header, but we can't actually modify those fields. We've got to print and fill, or print it out, fill it out, send it via snail mail, or fax it in. So within the Lotus Forms designer, we can actually import that field, that PDF, sorry, and it goes through a conversion process of converting that PDF into actually an electronic form, which can be presented via, be rendered as HTML or via a website portal as a form that can actually take input fields. So here we have that PDF form imported into the tool. If you go to the PDF, you can see that actually it looks pretty much the same. It's taken all that information. And so where there is a label, there's a label, and where there's a text, there's a text. So now on the left hand side we have a palette bar that contains all the different things, and we'll go through that in a second. So if we look at one of our fields, you can see that we can select it as mandatory. So as this field is rendered, you wouldn't be able to submit the form unless you'd filled that particular field in. Now as part of the form there's a fairly large freeform text area to describe your business, but maybe we want to be a little bit more prescriptive about that. So we're actually going to define some choices. By defining choices for users, we're actually reducing the level of variability to an answer on a form. So if we had a written form, we may have to have a conversation with that customer to get the right information we need, but by providing an electronic form with a set of specific options, we're actually ensuring that that cost is never realized for the use of this form. So that's pretty important. So what we're doing is we're providing 3 choices. Again, we can set this as a mandatory field, and also here we've got our user help, and this is available on all fields, where we can provide some assistance to people that are actually filling in that form, just to ensure that again they don't call our call center to ask for help. Everything is here for them and to help them fill that form in. So we've created that particular field element, and the tool assists us with aligning it, etc. So let's do a little bit more alignment. We've got 3 fields here. We're going to block select, and then we're going to just drag and drop them up so that they're aligned to the other fields that we have on the page, so it looks quite smart and easy. Something you would expect from any good electronic editing piece of software. So the next field I want to add is just a date selector, or date selector widget. We can modify the format so it's appropriate to our users. Here we are just adding a particular label, and just to note that date picker will actually be rendered within HTML, or indeed rendered clearly within our offline Lotus Forms viewer product as well. That completes this part of the demonstration. Thank you.